everyone. Today we are going to learn about acids, bases and salts. So first of all, we are going to classify. There are three classification of substances on basis of their pH value. They are known as acids, bases and salts. Now basically, first of all, we are going to talk about acids. What are acids? Now acid is a substance which is sour in taste, which is having an aggressive nature. If it comes in contact with our skin, it is corrosive, it is itching. So this is the feeling of acid, and it is in taste, as I have told you, it is sour in nature. Now basically we are going to classify acids on basis of organic acids, mineral acids and properties of acids. Okay, so first of all, what is organic acids? The acids which are produced by plants and animals are known as organic acids. You guys must have eaten orange. Orange is having citric acid. So basically it is an organic acid. Now talking about mineral acids, what is mineral acids? Now acids which are found on earth crust like HCl, Cl2, these are the mineral acids which are found on earth's crust. Okay, now we are going to talk about properties of acids. What are properties of acids? Now basically acids contains of a property like acids are sour in nature, they are corrosive, they are used for digestion in our stomach. Now basically acids are also used for breakdown of any kind of material. They are really aggressive. So basically these are the properties of acids. Now talking about classification of bases. Now basically bases are also called as antacids. That means anti-acids. Basically they are just opposite of base acids. So basically they are called as anti-acids. Alright, so basically here we are going to learn properties of bases. B-A-C-E-S, bases. Now basically what are bases? Bases are the properties of bases are they are slippery in nature, they are bitter in taste, they make salt when they are in contact with acid, they make salt in water. So these are the properties of bases. Now we are going to talk about indicators. What are indicators? You guys must have heard about litmus paper. Now what is litmus paper? If I have given you two transparent liquids in different bowls, now I tell you which one is acid and which one is base. You won't like to put your finger in and you are going to feel the texture and then tell me which one is acid and which one is base, because they are really corrosive. If you put your finger in a acid by mistake, then you will be having a permanent damage for your lifetime. So basically you won't be putting your finger, you won't be tasting it, you won't be damaging your body for just indicating which is acid, which is base. So that's why we use indicators. One of the example of indicator is litmus paper. Now what does litmus paper help us? How does litmus paper help us? Now basically what happens is we get a litmus paper, it turns blue litmus paper into, there are two kinds of litmus paper, a red litmus paper and a blue litmus paper. Now blue litmus paper when put in acid it turns into red, and blue litmus paper if put in base, they are only blue in color, they don't change their property, they don't change their color. Talking about red litmus paper, if I put red litmus paper in base, then it is going to turn into blue, and if I put a red litmus paper into an acid, then it is not going to change its color. So these are indicators. After that we are going to talk about neutralization. What is neutralization? If I combine acid and base together, then I am going to get salt and water. This is neutralization. Neutralizing acid and base together is known as neutralization. Thank you everyone. I hope you understood each and everything. I'll see you in the next lecture.